Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can elevate your videos using this Rainbow Prism Effect in CapCut Mobile. So here I have this video who looks like a basic video. And if you want to elevate the video, you can use this effect. So first go to Effect, click on the video effect. Then find the light effect category, and here find the rainbow prism effect. This one, click on the effect, and your video and the video will look like this now. Click on the check icon and apply it to the entire clips. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Thank you.